Left Anterior Chest Insertion. This video is provided for you by North American Rescue, products with a mission. The following video is part of a complete training program. Each of these objectives is designed to ensure safe SPEAR usage. Indications, contraindications, and therapeutic benefits are important facets of safe SPEAR usage. Identify 7 key features of the SPEAR Decompression Needle System. Grasp case and ensure safety seal. Twist off cap and remove SPEAR. Confirm landmarks. Second intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. Cleanse according to protocol or standards. Insert needle set into skin and identify rib. Confirm depth. Insert needle set less than or equal to 3 centimeters into pleural cavity. Release spin lock and thread catheter over the rib. Remove needle and disconnect one-way valve. Connect the one-way valve to the catheter hub. Secure catheter per protocol or standard. Monitor your patient for successful decompression or the development of any complications.